Yes, cucumber juice is the GOAT. You seen it, you heard it right. First and foremost, I want to talk about how hydrating cucumber juice can be. It's a really great source for that. It's great for regulate your blood pressure, great for your digestive health. It contains fibers that can help you, with any type of digestive issues you might experience. Weight loss is really great for that as well. Low calories, all natural. Also, for your blood sugar, because it is low, it has a low glycemic index. It can actually help with that as well. It can help with your cholesterol. So, it basically can help you lower the bad cholesterol, like basically, balance that thing out. Also, of course, we know it's really, really good for your skin. A lot of people really love to use it in different types of beauty products. And yeah, also with for your bone health is really important because it contains vitamin K, which is used for healthy bones and tissues. Also, it's great for your oral health because that fiber and that water really is healthy for your teeth and your gums. And anti-inflammatory properties because of the vitamins A, C, D, and K, and also calcium and magnesium. Also, it is really great for your kidney functions. Um, it can be used as like a mild diuretic. It can flush out, anything that is in the way as it relates to your kidney. Now, I am not saying that you need to replace anything else you got going on. No, I am not. I am not giving out any type of health advice. All I'm doing is sharing the benefits of cucumber juice. And I hope this video is helpful and informative and get you a sip.